Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Gisselle. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys can keep up with me. I honestly don't know what else to say without sounding basic. But anyways, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be doing another review. I think my channel should literally just be a review channel now or a beauty guru channel because honestly those types of videos have just been my latest videos that I've done. I probably should just switch. But anyways, this is kind of a sponsored video. I don't know if it's technically considered sponsored, but I was reached out to by Duvolle and they did ask me if they could send me one of their hairstyling products and I could include it in one of my videos. Well, I'm just dedicating it to this because, like, to be honest, I'm not really much of a person who does much to my hair other than curl it or straighten it. That's just kind of it. So I'm not like a huge hair tutorial person, but I am huge on what you use to style your hair. So first of all, I just want to say thanks to Duvolle for giving me the opportunity to show you guys this straightener. Hey guys, I just want to say this is featured Gisselle here. That's why my hair's already straightened. Duvolle was kind enough to give me a coupon code for you guys. I don't make any commission off this and I just wanted to put that out there. But if you use the code Gisselle17, it's on the screen right here and in the description, you can get 70% off any of their styling tools, which they have a lot. So if you want a curling iron or a flat iron or different types of flat irons, not exactly mine, but there's another one, you guys can get it. Now let's go back to the video. Again, like I said, I'm really huge on what you use to style your hair just because I did go through 2 winters where my hair was completely fried at the bottom and I did not know how to fix it. Unfortunately, one of the things this straightener has is an infrared red light. And I don't know exactly what it does other than when I bought this other straightener, some lady at the store told me that it really helped and I believed her and it really has helped my hair not burn as much. So I'm going to be showing you guys the Impulse Professional Flat Iron from Duvolle. This hair straightener does have the red infrared light, which, like I said, I'm really a huge fan of. It has helped my hair not get fried during these cold months, which is really nice, trust me. So this is the box it comes in. It looks super nice. Honestly, does not feel cheap at all. And then on the back it says it's a professional flat iron. It has tourmaline ceramic plates, which I'm also a huge fan of. High performance heat element for even heat. Negative ion technology gives hair more shine and less frizz, which that's just the best. It keeps your hair, even when it's raining, like it does not get as frizzy, which instant heating and variable temperature settings, which is always good. Not everyone needs to use the high setting on a hair straightener like I don't, so it's always nice that you can control it just to keep the damage down. It has infrared heat technology, again my favorite, light body weight, and aeronic soft touch grip, which, trust me, a lot of these things this hair straightener has, my personal hair straightener that I used before this has, and I'm excited to try this out. This is actually a first impression if you guys can't tell, but I'm excited to try it out. We're gonna open it up, and you open it up like this. Voila! Here obviously is the hair straightener, and I'm excited to use it. We're gonna pull it out. We're gonna pull out the hair straightener. You can take this out, and it has some instructions or safety precautions, which honestly I never read. We're also gonna take off the packaging, and we're gonna take off these little twisty things. So this is what the hair straightener looks like. It doesn't have to caution like it can burn you signs. Hair straighteners can get really hot, trust me. I've burnt my fingers over the years. And it has a long cord, which I'm a fan of because you don't have to have an extension cord. Sometimes the long cord is really necessary. And that's what the hair straightener looks like. It has a really soft grip like it says. It has this right here. I don't know what that's for, to be honest. It's on the box. Oh, it's for nothing. It's just decoration, like making it look better. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the heat settings are right here. And this is the on and off button. Apparently it's also the temperature button. Here are tourmaline ceramic plates. I don't know how to say that. And then right here, this line right here is where the infrared light comes from. We're gonna plug this in to use it. We're gonna turn it on. Oh, but how do I okay, the different settings, 360, perfect. That's exactly what I use on my other one. Okay, so you turn it on this way, and the more you press it is the higher the heat settings goes up. I use 360, so I think it's the middle one. The heat settings go from 270, 320, 360, 410, and 450. Again, I use 360, not that I really need it, it just helps speed up the process, and I'm just one of those people who, I do my own damage to my hair, okay? We're gonna let that heat up. Hopefully it heats up fast. I'm not sure exactly how fast it'll heat up. Oh, I love that! I just noticed this, but on a straightener it has this, which if you set it down like this on any flat surface or anywhere, it's gonna keep the heat from like completely being straight on, flat on the surface, which is nice. While that heats up, I do use this Tresemme heat protectant spray on my hair, so I just kind of spray that around my hair. And then we're gonna brush it through my hair. And let that. Oh, it heats up fast. Well, while the heat protectant sets on my hair, I do want to say is I straighten my hair every single day. Well, not every single day, but every single time I do go out or go on camera, I do straighten my hair just because I don't really like how my hair looks. It's not bad, but I just don't like how it looks. I would rather it be straight just because I go out and the humidity makes it frizzy, and that's kind of the problem with my hair. So I always straighten my hair, and I'm just, like I said, I really do care what you use to style your hair just because, like, I don't want you to damage it. And my hair's actually been really good with the infrared red light and everything. I can just tell you that personally because I have not had problems since I bought like a straightener with the same technology as the ones from Duvolle, but we're waiting now. So now that the heat protectant has gone on my hair, we're gonna split my hair into 2 sections. And if I look off to the sides, because I have a mirror on the side, I split it off into 2 sections like this. Not perfect, less on the top, but it works. And then we're gonna twist it. This is really the most basic thing. I don't know why people are watching me straighten my hair, but I'm basically just showing you the Duvolle hair straightener. I clip it up, and then I bring the bottom section, split it into 2, and just do this. I normally start off with this side and then this side. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a red light through there, and that's supposed to help with the heat damage. I just burned myself. Don't do what I'm doing. So now we're gonna take a small section of hair, brush it. We're gonna take the Duvolle hair straightener and pass it through. Oh, it glides. This is just passing it once. I always do it twice on my hair, and it glides. I love that. Okay. So that's what the hair looks like. I don't know if you can tell. Probably this was not the best sweater to wear, but you'll be able to tone at the end. I can say is I like how it glides because some hair straighteners are really like rough and they don't glide. And this one, definitely, it glides. Like it just makes it super easy. Okay, second piece done. Next part of the hair. I like this. Works the same. Love it. So far, no complaints, and I doubt there would be any because by right now we would have known. Also does not smell like it's burning my hair, which is a problem with a lot of hair straighteners and hair products, is that sometimes it could smell like you're burning your hair or smoke will come out. And right now, that's not the problem. Also, if my hair is not completely flat, you guys know I use flat hair, like, not that it's the best, but if my hair's not completely flat, it's because I did wash it, and sometimes it doesn't, like, the amount of time that I let it dry is not the best. And so, I just love how it glides. I love how it's not flat, which is amazing because I have a straightener that leaves it all flat. This is what it looks like right now. This side is straightened, this side is not straightened. My hair is pretty straight, it's just poofy, and I don't like that. I do straighten it just so it doesn't, like, it's not poofy. Overall, I like how it looks. It feels really nice. And despite the fact that I did shower, it still made my hair, like, not look as frizzy. So now I'm gonna do this side and just fast forward it. Okay, so now both of my bottom sections of the hair are straightened. I really like how it looks. Like, to be honest, it looks nice and awesome, and it looks flowy, and it's definitely not burned. My room does not smell burned at all, which is amazing because I've had straighteners where, but this one has not done that, which I really like. So that's what the bottom section straighten look like. Now I'm going to do my top section and also fast forward that. Okay, so I just finished straightening my hair with the straightener, and like I said, I do use my hair flat, which is not the preference of everyone, but I don't think it looks bad on me. Sometimes I don't like it, sometimes I do. But anyways, I did really like how this, I'm gonna turn it off before I burn myself. I did really like how the straightener straightened my hair. It looks amazing, honestly. It looks super shiny, smooth, silky. You guys can't tell because the camera does not really pick that up. It looks really nice. I'm not disappointed at all. Also, my hair does not smell burnt, which is important. Like, I burned my hair, but I didn't really burn my hair. That makes any sense for you guys. Anyways, now I'm just gonna show you guys how I finished styling my hair. Thank you again so much for Duvolle for choosing me to promote your hairstyling tools. Also, Duvolle was kind enough to give me a coupon code to give to you guys. I don't make any commission off this. I'm always so honest with you guys because I want you guys to know that I'm not just promoting it because I get commission. I don't make any commission off this. But you guys can get 70% off any of the hairstyling tools that they have. Use the code Gisselle70, that is Gisselle 70. So I definitely recommend, to be honest, because ooh, I love how my hair looks. Anyways, now I'm just gonna show you guys anything extra that I do with my hair normally when I straighten it. This is if I have time and I'm not lazy. I will use this teasing brush right here. I part my hair down the middle. Not always, but I will. and I'll take one side of the hair and just kind of tease it. I don't know how to tease my hair, and I've said this in a different video. I can't tease my hair. I like to think it makes a difference. You guys probably don't see anything. It's like a minimal difference. Okay. So this is the side that's teased. This is the side that's not teased. It makes a little bit of a difference, but I don't really care for a huge teased hair, to be honest, and I don't care if it's right or wrong. It's just as long as it doesn't look super flat. Okay. Okay. Then just tease the fronts of my hair because it's gonna come down either way. Anyways, here's my teased hair. That's just kind of how I style my hair. I don't really do much to it. You'll normally always catch me with straight hair because it's just easier to do that. And it's just basically easier than trying to brush it and make it look like it's not frizzy. Yeah, so that was it for my video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. A huge thank you to Duvolle for reaching out and sending me the straightener. I really did like it. It looks awesome and amazing. And I'm not just saying that because I got it sent for free. No, I'm not really told what I'm supposed to say. If you guys want any of Duvolle's hairstyling tools, they have curling irons and more straighteners, different variety, then make sure you use my coupon code Gisselle70 to get 70% off because it's a great deal. I mean, 70% off, who gives you that? Like, only Duvolle does. That is it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.